Hello children, today we are going to see the continuation for the previous video, that is the electronic configuration. This is the continuation for this previous video because you can understand that only you can easily understand this how to write the electronic configuration. Before going to that, how to fill the orbitals in the, how to fill the electrons in the orbital according to the three principle. That is, first principle is Offa principle, your BAU, Offa principle. Offa principle. Then again this is the three principles. Second one is Pauli exclusion principle. Exclusion principle. Then third one is Hund's rule. Okay, according to this three principle, you can write the filling the electron in the orbital. Okay. Okay, so this is the Hund's rule. Okay, this is Hund's rule. This is the Pauli exclusion principle. This is Offa principle. What is meant by Offa principle? The electron from arranging the electron from the ground state, that is the ground state of the orbitals or ground state of the atom. Orbitals are filled in there according to their increasing energy from the lower level to higher. The arranging the electrons, lower energy level to higher energy level, lower energy level to higher energy level, okay, lower energy level to higher energy level. This is the arranging of electron, that is called as Offa principle. Offa principle state that in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled from the lower energy level to higher energy level, that is increasing order of their energy. Okay, so this is the Offa principle. So how to draw this one, how to understand that one? First one is, you can write like this in your book, that is not understand them, it will be easy how to write the electronic configuration using this Offa principle. How to write? This is 1s, okay, then 2s, 2p, that is what are the orbital? S orbital, p orbital and the d orbital. First time you write 1s, then 2s, 2p, then 3s, 3p, then 4s, 3p, 3d, then 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, then 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, then 6s, 6p, 6d, then 7s, 7p. Okay, so according to that number you can write like this. Then you strike out writing the order. How the order? First one is 1s, then 2s, then 2p, 3s. This is the way you can read this orbital. How to read this orbital? Okay, from this way you can read. First you are starting from 1s, then you read from 2s. From back side onwards you can read. Then you cannot read 3s, 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s. So how to write? Using this one you can draw the how to write one. So this is first you write 1s, right? This is 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then what is the way? That is 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, okay, then 6s kapra next 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p. What is the meaning for that? You can write the order from lower energy level to higher energy level. This is the increasing energy level order. You can easily understand that. This is the way you can write easily, remembering this electronic configuration. Using this using this Offa principle, how to write the electrons? First you reminder in your mind, s orbital maximum 2. Okay, then p orbital maximum 6. This is s orbital. D orbital maximum 10. F orbital maximum 14. Okay, so this is the way. Just you reminder that this is the main thing. S orbital maximum 2 electron, p orbital maximum 6 electron, d orbital maximum 10 electron, f orbital maximum 4 electron. Apart from that, maximum, suppose s orbital you can write 6 means that is completely wrong. Just you understand that because s orbital maximum electron is 2. p orbital maximum electron, because 3 boxes are there, 3 boxes, because s orbital containing 1 boxes containing 2 electron, p orbital containing 3 boxes, maximum 6 electron. Okay, then d orbital containing 5 boxes, right? The 5 boxes containing maximum 2 electron, totally 10 electron. Then again f orbital, that is 7 electron, maximum 14 electron. Okay, so the first you reminded that this one. So next we are going to see the how to write the electronic configuration. Okay, atomic number. First we are lithium, atomic number is 3. Okay, this is key, that is atomic number. How to write the electronic configuration? So this is the way. First orbital is 1s. Okay, I am writing here 1s. How many maximum electron accommodated in the s orbital? I am writing here 2. Okay, what is the second orbital here? That is the order. So that is second, 2s. So total orbital electron is 3. So 2 is already over. Remaining how many electron is there? That is 1. This is the electronic configuration of lithium. Okay, so remainder another one. Boron 5. Okay, boron 5. How to write the electronic configuration? This is the first order. What is the first order? 1s, 2s, 2p, right? First 1s s orbital maximum how many electron I told? So that is the way I am writing here. S orbital 2, p orbital 6, d orbital 10, f orbital 14. Maximum has s orbital how many electron? That is 2 electron. Then second one is 2s maximum. Here 5 electron is there. 5 atomic number 5. So 5 electron is there. 2 is already over. Again s orbital maximum electron 2. Then again what is the order? This 2p orbital, right? 2p orbital. So now atomic number is 5 only. Here 4 already over, remaining 1. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of boron. Okay, suppose you understand this concept, you can write your own, you can write the electronic configuration. Suppose again next one, carbon atomic number is 6, right? How to write? What is the orbital? 1s, 2s, 2p. Okay, so 1s means, so this is the first orbital. S orbital accommodate how many electron? That is 2 electron. 2s orbital accommodate 2 electron. Total is 6. It are already 4 over. Remaining how many electron is there? 2 electron. Okay, so this is the another one, 2p2. Okay, so next one is carbon. Next one is sodium 11. How to write? What is the order? 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. Okay, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. Okay, so total first one is s orbital. How many electron accommodated? That is 2. 2s orbital accommodate how many electron? Again 2. 2p orbital maximum. P orbital maximum how many electron? Now only p orbital coming. So maximum 6 electron. So that is here only 4 only over. So that is 6 electron. Totally how many electron is over? Now 10 electron is over. Then 3s orbital. 3s orbital how many electron? So s orbital maximum 2 electron. Now total atomic number only 11. 10 is already over. Remaining how many electron is there? That is only 1 electron. Okay, so the atomic number of sodium 11 is how to write? This is the another one. Okay, so next one is calcium 20. How to write the calcium? So this is the order. You see that order? 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. Okay, so then how to write? 1s, how many electron? S orbital 2 electron. 2s 2 electron. 2p 6 electron. 10 over. Then 3s 2 electron. 3p 6 electron. Totally how many electron is over now? Totally 18 electron. Next 3p. What are the next orbital? 3p ki next one the 4s orbital. Then again you write, that is 4s orbital. How many electron in the 4s orbital? Maximum 2 electrons. So that is 2 electron. So this is the electronic configuration of calcium. Okay, you understand that? So I hope you all understand that. You can write your own. Suppose atomic number chromium 24. How to write? Again the same electronic configuration, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, because 24 is there. Here 20. So up to 20 this is the same configuration. 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, right? 4s2. Next what are the next 4s2? That is 3d. What is 3d? 3d how many orbital? Here 20 over. Remaining balance how many electrons are there? That is 4 electron. Okay, this is the another one. Okay, so next one is Copper 29. How to write this electronic configuration? The same thing, instead of 3d4, what will be coming? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d. What are the electron will be coming? That is 3d9. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration. So d orbital is also maximum electron is 10. Okay, so next one is, this is the way you are writing the electronic configuration. This is the first principle. What is the second principle? That is Pauli exclusion principle. Pauli exclusion principle. Exclusion principle. No two electron in an atom can have all the four quantum numbers are not equal. Okay, so that is no two electron can have the same values of all four quantum number. So what is the meaning for that? No two electron atom can have the same values. Four quantum number value is not same. That is, what are the four quantum numbers? N, L, M and S. What is N? Principal quantum number. L azimuthal quantum number. M magnetic quantum number. S is spin quantum number. All the four quantum numbers are not same. Say for example, first one is how this principle can be explained. N is equal to 1 for hydrogen atom. For hydrogen atomic number is 1, right? We already know that, right? So N is equal to only one electron, that is principal quantum number. N is equal to 1. What is the L value? What is the formula? L is equal to N minus 1. So what is that answer? Equal to 0, right? L is equal to 0. What is M value? M is equal to 2L plus 1. What is that value? This is also M is equal to 0. What is the first value of M value? That is 0 value. M is equal to 0. And again another one, S orbital. S orbital containing plus of and minus of. Okay, that is the minus of. So here only one electron. So that is plus of only. Okay, S orbital containing plus of only, because two number irundha mattumda plus of minus of. Here only one electron is there, that is plus of. What is the four quantum number? This is the hydrogen. Suppose in this helium. Helium atomic number is 2. Write the four quantum numbers. Four quantum numbers. N is equal to, what is that value? N is equal to 1. This is the first line. So N is equal to 1. How to write the electronic configuration? 1s1. Here also 1s2. So this number is represent, this is the N, a principal quantum number. This number indicate this is N is equal to 1. Here also this number N is equal to 1. Just you remember that. First from this question you can write understand the principal quantum number. This is the first principal quantum number. 1s mean N is equal to 1. What is the L value? L is equal to 0. What is the M value? M is equal to 0. What is the S value? Here 2 electron is there. S is equal to plus of minus of. Why? That is the 2 electron. The S orbital containing here 2 electron mean here only 1 electron. This is already told. S orbital containing 2 electron. So here that is only 1 electron mean that is S orbital containing only 1 electron. Here 2 electron mean that is 1 and 2. Okay, this is the another one. This is called as Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, the spin quantum number is also only can accommodate. So what is Pauli exclusion principle? In an orbital containing maximum 2 electron, the 2 electron is also having the opposite spin charge. So this is called as Pauli exclusion principle. So using this Pauli exclusion principle, you can write the 4 possible quantum numbers. In each orbital containing maximum 2 electron, the 2 electron also having the opposite spin charge. Okay, so this is called as Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, this is the another one. Next one is Hund's rule. What is mean by Hund's rule? What is mean by Hund's rule? So what is mean by Hund's rule? What he told? So that is the degenerate orbital occurred first half filled the orbital, then completely filled. Half filled the orbital, then completely filled. Then completely filled. What is the meaning for that? So half filled the orbital, then completely filled. Suppose in case 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is one electronic configuration, right? So that is 8, atomic number 8, that is oxygen atomic number is 8, that is 1s2 2s2 2p4. How to fill the electron in the orbit? Okay, how to fill the electron? This is the 1s orbital, s orbital containing only one orientation, p orbital means that is 3 boxes, right? So just you reminded that. So 1s orbital, here how many electron is there? 2 electron, right? Here 2s electron, again 2 electron, p orbital 4 electron. How to, what is the suborbital? Px, py and the pz. How to fill the electron? First you half fill the orbital, then completely fill. So suppose you are filled 1 2 3 4, this is wrong. Okay, well, this is wrong. So how to fill the orbital in this electrons in the orbital? 1 2 3 then 4. So this is called as Hund's rule. First you half fill the orbital, then completely fill. This is px, py and the pz. This is the correct filling of this electron. Okay, this is the another one. Suppose again another one is, so next one is fluorine atomic number is 9. Now how to write the electronic configuration? The same order, 1s 2, 2s2, 2p, remaining 4, remaining 5. How to fill the orbital? So 1s orbital mean that is 1s, now s orbital mean 1 boxes, p orbital mean 3 boxes. How to fill the electron? 1 2 1 2, then here 5 electron is there, 1 2 3 4 5, right? So that is px, py and the pz. So px is 2, py2 and pz1. You can write like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2 and the 2pz1. Okay, so this is the way you are writing the electronic configuration. This is the Hund's rule. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is how to write the 4 possible quantum number. So how to write 4 possible quantum number using this orbital. So using this number, how to write the 4 orbitals. So this is the one book bag question. Okay, how to write the 4 possible quantum number. Okay. (3px). Okay, this is one question. You write 4 possible quantum number, then 4dx square minus y square. This is another question, right? This is one question. Second question. Okay, how to write the 4 possible quantum number? 4 possible quantum numbers. Possible quantum numbers. Okay, this is the question. How to write? So this number indicate n value. So from this value you can write n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3 means what is the value of L value? What is the formula of L? n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to L is equal to 2. Okay, L is equal to 2 mean what are the orbital? That is here already told, that is px orbital. Okay, so m is equal to, what is the m value? M is equal to 2L plus 1. Okay, 2L plus 1 mean 2 plus 1, that is 5 value. M is equal to 5. What is that 5 values? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. 5. Sorry. Okay, so n is equal to 3. What is n is equal to 3? What is the p orbital? P orbital, what is that n value? So just you remember that. Okay, L is equal to 0 mean s orbital. L is equal to 1 mean p orbital. L is equal to 2 means d orbital. L is equal to 3 means that is f orbital. This is one, easily identify that. Okay, so this is the another one. So here that is L is equal to, what is the L value? L is equal to n minus 1. L is equal to n minus 1 means 3 minus 1, that is the true value. So true value means how to write the 2 values. So here 2 value means 0, 1. So that is the p orbital, the 2 values. So that is 0, 1. So this is the p orbital. What is the p orbital? Px value? Px value equal to, suppose L is equal to 1 mean, the 2 value mean எல்லுக்கு வந்து 2 வேல்யூஸ் இருக்குது. 0 ஒரு வேல்யூ இருக்குது, 1 வேல்யூ இருக்குது. ஸோ லாஸ்ட் வேல்யூ 1 அப்படின்னா வாட் இஸ் த எம் வேல்யூ? எம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 2l plus 1. So that is 2l அப்படின்னா that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 value minus 1, 0 plus 1. So here that is the electron 3px. So this is the 3 orientation px, py and the pz. Okay, so this is the 3px. So that is n and n values. What is the n value? N value is equal to 3 value, l is equal to 1. p orbital means, so நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, s orbital அப்படின்னா 0, p orbital 1, d orbital 2, f orbital 3. Okay, so this is the value. Just you remember that. So here n is equal to 3 value. From this value you can write n is equal to 3, l is equal to p orbital mean whether it is px ஆ இருக்கட்டும், py ஆ இருக்கட்டும், pz ஆ இருக்கட்டும், p value l is equal to 1. Okay, so from this one, this is n is equal to, here 4 is there. So what is the value? N is equal to 4. What is the l value? L value, d orbital, what is the l value? That is l value is equal to 2. So that is the d orbital. L is equal to 2. Here l is equal to 1, 2. L is equal to 2. N is equal to 4. This is your book bag question. Question number is 32. Okay, what is the l value and the n value? If your question kudutitana, you can easily write. N value mean that is the number indicate, that is n value. This value is indicate p orbital mean whether it is px, py, pz. The p value, this is the p value. Okay, so this is the l is equal to 0 mean s orbital, 1 mean p orbital, 2 mean d orbital. Okay, so this is the another one. Okay, so from this equation, from this one you can easily understand how to write the electronic configuration using the 3 principle, that is Offa principle, Hund's rule and this Pauli exclusion principle. That are the 3 principle how to write the electronic configuration. So using this concept you can write the electronic configuration any other number. Your textbook periodic table is there. Using that periodic table you can learn that number. So just everyone memorize first 30 elements in your periodic table. Page number 74 in your textbook, 74 page number, your periodic table is there. So you can memorize first 30 elements with the atomic number and mass number. You can memorize that one. Okay, you hope you can understand that one. See the next video. Thank you children.